Happy Friday. So I'm just leaving work right now. Let's turn on this radio. I'm actually gonna go look for a this is like double chin level. I want you to be like up here away from my double chin. But I'm actually gonna go to Walmart and try and find a car mount for my phone, since that's what I film on. But I'm gonna go try to find a car mount because I can't be doing this, you know what I mean? I just can't be like setting it up in random spots. And one of my friends in the comments was like, go get you a mount. So that's what I'm doing. My nails, look, nails are fucked up. I'm just gonna do that so I don't have to edit it out. They're fucked up. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off. Okay, I'm back. I got my car mount, but I got it's the one that goes in the vent because that was the cheapest one. And you know, your girl is don't have money for that shit. So it's the kind that goes in the vent, which I don't really like because the angles aren't really that flattering. Oh, come on. Hurry up, bitch. They had a whole bunch of makeup on clearance in there. I ended up going to Target because Target's a little bit closer. But they had so much clearance makeup on in there, and I picked up a foundation that was like $3, and then I put it back because I was just like, do you really need another foundation? Do you really need another foundation? And then I was like, no. When I go shopping, I like to pick stuff up and then hold on to it for like the whole time I'm walking around the store, and then I'll just put it back because I felt like I had it for some time in my life. I don't know, that makes no sense. Anyway, so I was like, I'll put it back and I'll get a drink instead. So I got this instead of my foundation because it was about the same price. So I apologize that when you see me in the car, I'm gonna have a big fat double chin. But you know what? Unless I do something about it, I'm just gonna have a double chin. Unless I get my ass in shape and stop drinking sugary drinks. Like, I should be drinking water right now, but you know, I'm just gonna have to deal with the fact that I have a double chin and just not give a damn and just post it on YouTube because who cares? I'll leave that out. We actually do have plans this weekend. One of my best besties, her daughter is turning 6. Well, she actually turned 6 on the 31st. Happy birthday, princess. But anyway, she's having her birthday party tomorrow, so we're gonna go to that. As for tonight, we have a visit, and then we'll just be going home because our visit's at 7, meaning we probably won't be home till almost 8. And you know, by then I'm gonna be super moody, so I probably won't vlog the rest of the night. I'll probably just come back tomorrow. I have to film a makeup tutorial for Tutorial Tuesday. And then, yeah, I gotta save my memory. But hey, I got a car mount now, so yeah. I'll see you guys when Good morning. I'm going to cake up. Got my makeup. Eating my popcorn for breakfast. I've been up since like freaking 6, but we have a lot of stuff to do, so let me just get caked up. Oh hey, we're back in the car. Nigga, nah. So the party was fun. My mom wants to go to this Crystal Hot Springs, which is not that far from her house. So it's like natural hot springs that you can go sit in. So we're gonna go do that. It's like 7 o'clock at night. They close at like 11. So we're going to the Crystal Hot Springs. So come along with us.
There's water in there, Mama. Yeah, because this is the water place. This is the water place.
I will.
Hey,
Go.
Zoe,
What are those?
happy Sunday.
Why is it doing that?
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. It's Super Bowl Sunday. We actually probably won't even watch it. Yeah, I only watch that kind of stuff like when my boyfriend's here. But
The boyfriend.
yeah, Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
I miss my daddy.
Oh. So Aziz wants to do the Bean Boozled challenge, so we're gonna make a video. I told him. He's been asking me forever to make a video, so I told him that we would make one later. I did my tutorial Tuesday this morning. My makeup look, and probably not much happening today. We're gonna go to our visit. We're gonna go get some groceries right now for the house, and the Crystal Hot Springs were fun. Did you have fun at the Crystal Hot Springs?
Yeah, because Mommy, it was not fun.
Why?
Yeah, because all the people were in the pool.
There was a lot of people in there. So I only did like a little clip, but there was like 3 or 4 pools, and there was a lot of people. It was really busy for a Saturday night. So we stayed for like an hour, but he cried when we left, so I don't know why he's saying he didn't have fun. But I'm not really much of a swimmer. I don't like getting my hair wet and stuff, and this is not my thing. But my mom had a good time. So yeah, ew.